Hello amazing people, it's your girl Blick and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I'm going to show you how to achieve this gorgeous look. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and also hit the notification bell to be the first to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's get right into it. To mix some of this concealer with this elegant corrector, because this is a matte and this one is not a matte, to give me that eyeshadow base. For the eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the Lady Flora Cosmetic eyeshadow palette. Deep brown. I'm going in with my first shade and I'm going to just tap it going into the inner part of my crease. What I'm doing, I'm just tapping that to pack that. It's my first shade. Remember, it's the darkest. The second shade, I'm going to be using this color. And I'm just blending it out. I'm going back with the first shade just to add depth into my crease with a little bit of concealer just to place here. I'm going to use a shimmery shade, so I just want to make sure it's popping to blend it out. It's deep navy blue. It's not dark as I expected. I'm going back in with the first shade just to blend it out, the upper part. For the inner corner of my eyes, I'm going to be go in with my eyeliner, and I'm using a Kiss Beauty eyeliner. Using the Sentivist moisturizer, smear it all over my face, let it dry. I'm going to be using the Black Opal primer. Today I wanted to do a one layer of makeup, so I'm just going to apply the products, then I spray my face, then I blend in at once. But some products are matte, I may apply then I blend using this foundation, still from the same brand, but this is a dark shade and it's in the shade Chestnut. First apply the cream contour and I'm using the dark foundation just my forehead. This part and also my nose. So for my nose, I'm still going to use the same brush. I'm going to be using this foundation. It's from the MB Cosmetics Amsterdam. And I'm just going to apply a little bit here. I'm going to use another brush to blend my foundation. And lastly, I'm going to use a little bit of concealer. And I'm going to spray. I'm going in with my setting powder, and I'm using the Eda Loose powder. Shade. Using the tonic correct pressed powder. This and that one is my highlighter. I'm going to use this black eyeliner for my waterline. I'm going in with my mascara, and it's I'm going to spray my face with this Kiss Beauty Spray Mist. Outline my lips with the Davis number 54, lip liner. I'm going to use the MB Cosmetic lip gloss, and it's in the shade Dark Chocolate Chip. I'm going in with my second lip gloss, and it's in the shade Blush. After applying my gloss, I like to put a wipe in between my lips and just push it out, bring it out to make sure my gloss does not go to my teeth. We've come to the end of our video. This is our final look. I was not so happy with the navy blue, but anyway, it worked out. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also watch my last video and let me know what you think in the comments. See you in our next video. Bye bye.